How to fix WhatsApp unable to connect, please try again problem. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can fix if WhatsApp says unable to connect, please try again later, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In most cases this issue usually happens with the problem of your internet connection itself. So if you're using Wi-Fi, just try to switch your Wi-Fi, or maybe just try to switch to cellular data. If you're using cellular data, try to switch to Wi-Fi and see if that actually helps you solve your problem. Just try out many things and then see which one actually works best for you. Once you make sure that it is not the problem with the internet, there are a couple of things that you can do. Of course, first of all, long press the WhatsApp app icon, then tap the I button to come to the app information page, then just go to storage. Under storage you'll find cache files. Tap on clear cache. Now do not tap on clear data, mind you, again do not tap on clear data, because if you have not backed up your WhatsApp chats, it is going to reset the application and you will not be able to restore your WhatsApp chats. But if you have backed it up, then you can tap on the clear data option in order to go ahead and re-log in back into your WhatsApp account again. If that doesn't help, last but not the least, I want you to simply head over to your Play Store and then search for WhatsApp. Check if the WhatsApp app has an update. If it does, then definitely make sure to update it to the latest version. Hopefully one of these may have helped you solve your problem. If it did help you solve your problem, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.